Wow, that's an unusual strawberry. Wow.
Oh, really chatty. This is how you get free strawberry plant. Just roots. All you gotta do is plant it. And there's another runner.
This is what happens when you fertilize.
No. Inside it.
Wow, that's an unusual strawberry.
Our first harvest.
A couple that
our harvest for the day. Let's make strawberry chia seeds sugar-free jam.